Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see that how to find the solution of equation in one variable. So let's get started. Suppose I have a equation in one variable such as x plus 4 is equal to 9. Now in this equation 4 and 9, these are the constant numbers and x is a variable. So how to find the value of a x? To find the value of a x, we have to make sure that this 4 will get cancelled, and on the one side, which means on the left hand side of the equation, only variable will remain, and on the another side, which means at the right side of the equation, only constants will remain. So to cancel this 4 from this side, what we have to do, we have to make sure that this 4 will get cancelled. So this 4 will get cancelled only if I subtract this 4 from 4 only. So 4 minus 4 will become 0. So like this, x plus 4, I have to subtract this 4, which means minus 4 is equal to 9. So you have to remember one thing, that whenever you are doing something on the left hand side, you have to do the same thing on the right hand side also, so that the equation will remain the same. The value of equation is not going to change. So I am subtracting from left hand side, so I have to do this for the right hand side also, which means I am going to subtract this 4 from right side also. So now on the left hand side, only 4 minus 4 will become 0, which means x plus 0, and on the right hand side 9 minus 4 will become 5, which means x plus 0 will be x, and on the right hand side it is 5. So the value of a x I have got is 5. Now you can substitute this value in this equation, which means x is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So this is how you get the value of a x. Okay, so this is in the case of a plus sign. Suppose I have to do x minus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, so now in this equation here is a minus 5. So I have to do something so that which this 5 will get cancelled. Okay, so as here it is a minus 5, I have to add 5 so that minus 5 and plus 5 become 0. So x minus 5, I'm going to add plus 5 and then 15. Like I said, if I am doing something on the left hand side, I have to do the same thing on right hand side also. So 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5. Now x plus 5 and minus 5 will become 0. Okay, x plus 5 minus 5 will become 0. And 15 plus 5 will be 20. 15 plus 5 will be 20. So I get the value of x is equal to 20. The value of x I get is 20. You can substitute and check. X is equal to 20. So 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. This is how you get the value of x when there is a minus sign and when there is a plus sign. So this is in the case of a addition and subtraction. Now let's see how to do in the case of a multiplication. Suppose I have 5x is equal to 25. Equation has a 5x is equal to 25. So here the relation between 5 and x is nothing but 5 multiplied by x is equal to 25. So this I have to cancel this 5, right? So as 5 in the form of a multiplication, I have to do something so that this 5 will get cancelled. So as you all know that division is the opposite of a multiplication, right? So I have to divide with some number so that I will get 1 over here, not a 0. Because if I get 0, so x multiplied by 0 will become 0. So I have to cancel this 5 by dividing such number so that I get the answer as a 1. So definitely if I divide 5 for the left hand side and right hand side, I will get answer 1. I will show you. 5 multiplied by x divided by 5 is equal to 25 divided by 5. Okay, so this 5 will get cancelled with this 5, and here 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. So here x remains only and here 5. So you get the answer x is equal to 5. Okay, so you have to remember one thing, that whenever there is a multiplication you have to divide, and whenever there is a division you have to multiply. Now you have seen the multiplication. Now I will show you how to do the division. Okay, suppose here is a equation. Suppose x upon 5, x divided by 5 is equal to 10. X divided by 5 is equal to 10, which means I have to cancel this 5. So as 5 is in the division, I have to multiply here so that this 5 will get cancelled. Okay, so x upon 5 multiply by 5 is equal to 10 multiplied by 5, right? So now this 5 will get cancelled with this 5. So here only x remain, and on this side 10 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. So I get the answer x is equal to 15. So basically you have to remember only one thing, is that whenever there is a multiplication in the equation, you have to do the division, and whenever there is a division you have to do the multiplication with the same number only, so that these two numbers will get cancelled and you will get the answer as a 1, and only x remain on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you will get the answer of your equation. Here also I am dividing with the same number only, so that these two numbers will get cancelled and only x remain on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you will get the answer of your equation. You can check here, x is equal to 5. When you substitute 5 multiplied by x, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 will become 25, and here also x is equal to 50. Whenever you divide this 50 by 5, so 50 divided by 5 is equal to nothing but the 10. This is how you are going to solve the equation in one variable. I hope you all understand this. Thank you for watching.